I need a Bob Ross tutorial. Yeah, okay, let's build the keyboard. So before you guys ask me why am I building another keyboard, I am just reusing some old parts from my old keyboard so that the parts do not go wasted and just sit around. So let's get started. By the way, it's raining, guys. Like rain ASMR. Here are some basic tools you need to refurbish your old keyboard. A keycap puller, a screwdriver, and a switch puller. First up, we're gonna start removing all of our keycaps from the keyboard. Next up, we can start removing our switches and our stabilizers. After all the disassembly, we can now start building our new keyboard. I'll be using this grey aluminium case that I got from Amazon. It is compatible with the GK61 and comes with rubber feet. Next up is our PCB. I'll be using the GK61 RGB. It is a hot swappable PCB, which means that it is really good for beginners who are looking to get into the hobby. I will be full modding the case, and this just helps with the acoustics of the keyboard. Next up is our plate. This plate came with the keyboard case and is a matching aluminium grey plate to match our keyboard. Next up is our stabilizers. I think these are cherry stabilizers, but after using the Everglide Panda stabilizers, I would definitely recommend those over the cherry stabilizers. And I will be lubing them with Super Lube. Now that we're done, I'm going to show you this cool trick that I learned online. Next up is our switches. These are fecal milky green linear switches. They have an actuation force of 45 grams. And of course we will be lubing them. The one on my right is unlubed and the one on my left is lubed. Here's what the unlubed sounds like. And now here is how the lubed one sounds like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the parts I use will be linked in the description. If you guys like keyboard content or tech content in general, you can subscribe to my channel. I mainly do tech and keyboards.